Stop by and take a look at the 2013 SRX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.